What's up everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a windshield wiper blade change on a 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. As I said, this is a 2019, but it does work on several different years. So if you just go try to change them, you may notice that they don't come up. They hit the hood here. And so the first thing we need to do is actually in the vehicle, so I'll see you there in the next shot. So the first thing we need to do is get access to the wiper blades. And what we're gonna need to do is, if your car's not already running, you'll need to go ahead and start it. And this will be the same whether you have a turn key or push button start. So the car needs to be on for just a couple seconds and then turn it off. And within 20 seconds of turning it off, you're gonna take your windshield wiper control arm here and push it up and hold it up. And we're gonna continue to hold it up until the windshield wipers go up like that. So once we have the windshield wipers up like that, we can go ahead and change the blade. So now we've got our wipers in the upright position, and from here on out, it's just a regular windshield wiper blade change. So if you're already familiar with how to do that, thanks for watching. If you've never done one, it's real simple. We'll just grab our arm here and they'll fold back and they'll stay up like that. Now we want to take the blade and flip it over so it's sitting the opposite way it normally sits from against the windshield. And then on the blade, you're gonna wanna push this button right here. And as you push that button, you're gonna wanna pull down on this part of the wiper blade towards the car. So you'll push that button and then pull down. And then you want this part to clear the hook like this. And you'll just lift out of there like that. I'm not gonna actually replace this one because it doesn't need to be replaced, but when you have your new one, you'll grab it and position this part that has the button on it upright and on the bottom. And then we're gonna put the hook in this hole right here, like that. And we're gonna pull it down past it and then put this piece up into that hook and then push up to lock it in place. Now we'll bend the wiper back down to the way it should normally sit and gently set that back on the glass. And now to get the wipers back down to their hidden position, you'll just press any setting on the windshield wiper button inside. The lever that we held up to get them up this way, you'll just basically turn the windshield wipers on. So that's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.